Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install plugins in Figma step by step. Figma plugins are powerful tools that help you work faster, improve your designs, and add extra features directly inside Figma. In this tutorial, I'll use the Unsplash plugin as an example because it's one of the most popular free plugins for designers. If you're a beginner, don't worry. I'll guide you through the entire process, so let's get started. First, I'll open my Figma design file. Now I'll press Ctrl+/ on my keyboard to open the Actions menu. In the search box, I'll type Unsplash. Here is the Unsplash plugin. I'll click on it to open the plugin page. Now I'll click the Save button. This saves the plugin to my account so I can use it anytime in the future. After that, I'll click the Run button to launch the plugin. The plugin is now opening inside Figma. Next, I'll search for an image. For this example, I'll type nature. As you can see, the plugin displays many beautiful high-quality images from Unsplash. I'll choose one of these images and simply click on it. The selected image is automatically added to my Figma design. If I want another image, I can search for a different keyword and click any image to insert it instantly. As you can see, the plugin is working perfectly, and I can quickly add professional images without leaving Figma. That's it. We've successfully installed and used a Figma plugin. Installing plugins is one of the best ways to improve your workflow, save time, and unlock powerful features inside Figma. Whether you're creating UI designs, presentations, social media graphics, or prototypes, plugins can make your work much easier and more efficient. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Figma tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.